Hi guys, welcome back to SeveUp. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to customize the SeveUp 3D BIM Viewer in Power BI so that you can create a dashboard that is not only visually appealing, but one that also has all the information that you need to streamline your BIM process. The SeveUp app provides you with loads of free templates within our premium plan, but if you really want to make most out of it, then you can sign up for one of our expert plans where you can access all the features and have the ability to create your own templates. If you already have a freemium plan, then you can easily and very quickly upgrade it to an expert plan by simply clicking on the Upgrade Your Plan when your limit is reached. Now, before you start this tutorial, you'll need to head over to SeveUp app to create and download a blank SeveUp dashboard template. This takes about 2 minutes to do, and it's very simple. We have a tutorial to help you with just that, and I'll put a link in the description below. Then we need to open up Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Now, this application is absolutely free to use. You'll find another link in the description below so that you can download it if you don't have it yet. Go to File and select Browse this device. Set up the extension file as PBIT, which is the Power BI template file, and not the PBIX, which is the Power BI project file. Select the dashboard template that you have created on the SeveUp app and press Open. Now the file will be set up, and if you click on Load, this will start to load it into your Power BI, which may actually take a little while. Now, in order to start working on the template, we need to save it as PBIX file, the project file. So go to File, Save As, make sure that the extension is set up to PBIX, and then press Save. Now, I have already set up my dashboard with several visuals to sort the data for me. For building them, you use the visualization pane over here to add in different types of visuals. In Power BI, when you're working with BIM modeling, the visualization pane helps you turn complex construction details and architectural designs into easy-to-understand charts and graphs by using the visuals over here. It takes all the measurements, materials, and stages of your building project to show them in a way that everybody on your team can grasp quickly. This pane lets you play around with your data, find what matters most, and share it in a clear visual way that makes sense to both builders and non-builders alike. Now, as you can see, I already have a couple of matrix visuals, a slicer, and a card set up on the dashboard. We also have tutorials on how to create this yourself. You'll find these links in the description below for you to check them out. In the center of our dashboard sits the SeveUp 3D BIM Viewer. This was developed by SeveUp along with other custom visuals that are already inserted and pre-configured as standard into the SeveUp dashboard. I always use the default colors. They are already set up, but this visual can actually be customized to your own preferences. So let's go through the basic settings and the options that we have for doing this. First of all, whenever you need to change or add data to a visual, you have to make sure that it's selected by clicking on it. You can tell when a visual is selected because it will have a resizing border around it like this. The SeveUp Viewer is created to work in two ways. The first way allows you to select data across other Power BI visuals, and they will be displayed within the 3D BIM Viewer. For example, if we select Air Terminal in this matrix visual over here, then you'll see that the Update button displays the amount of chosen assets. Now, when you press on the Update button, it not only displays the selection, but it will also autofocus on it. The second way the SeveUp BIM Viewer works is an inversion of the first way, meaning that when you select an asset within the BIM Viewer, then all the other visuals within the dashboard will update to reflect the selection. Make sure that the visual is set to enable this feature by going to the visualization pane and choosing Format Your Visual. Then in Scene Data, under Visuals, toggle Enable Selection to On. Now, by doing this, a selection button appears on the 3D BIM Viewer. Now you can navigate within the BIM Viewer to your desired asset. Then click on the selection button to activate it. And then when you click on any of the assets within the 3D BIM Viewer, it will change all of the other visuals that are added to the dashboard to reflect the selection. Another customizable feature is the tooltip when you select an object. Whatever information you would prefer to have displayed when navigating to an asset can easily be added. Let's set up this tooltip with some data. Under the Build Your Visual in the Visualizations pane, scroll down until you come to Tooltips. Now under the Data pane, scroll to WT Assets and drop down the menu. Then drag and drop class, class name, and global ID and predefined type over to Tooltips. Now when we select an asset, not only will the information display in the other visuals, but the key info that we need can also be displayed in the tooltip info when we click or hover over the asset. This can have a significant effect on the way that you and your team interact with BIM data. Having 3D BIM Viewer that is completely customizable to your needs means that instead of having to deal with one-size-fits-all BIM Viewer, you get to use the SeveUp BIM Viewer and create your own customizable dashboard that will give you easy access to your BIM data quickly and efficiently. Now, if you'd like any more information about the SeveUp app, or if you have any questions, then please guys, do not hesitate to contact us. You can drop us a comment below, or you can head over to our website and reach us through email. I'll drop a link in the description below so that you can check out all the convenient links there. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more invaluable tutorials helping you to streamline your BIM process with SeveUp. Until next time, bye!